Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to turn off notifications except for alarms in Windows 10. If you're tired of being constantly interrupted by notifications while working or studying, this feature can help you stay focused. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu. Step 2. From the Start menu, go to Settings. You can find the Settings icon, which looks like a gear, in the left column of the Start menu. Step 3. In the Settings window, click on System. This will open the System settings. Step 4. On the left menu, click on Focus Assist. This feature allows you to customize your notification settings. Step 5. In the Focus Assist settings, choose the mode Alarms Only. Hide all notifications, except for alarms. This will ensure that you only receive important alarm notifications while blocking all other distractions. By enabling this feature, you can create a distraction-free environment and focus on your tasks without being interrupted by unnecessary notifications. It's a great way to enhance your productivity and concentration. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more focused Windows experience. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful content. See you next time.